It's me again, Zebelle, and welcome to my vlog. Good morning, and it's my lunch time, my lunch break. Actually, it's afternoon already, and we're having sushi, maki, so yummy. Let us have a challenge. We will put wasabi on my sushi. This is our challenge. Okay. There. Maybe that's it. Wasabi. I know spicy stuff, but not wasabi because wasabi is too much. Look at this. Look at this. Only like that, okay? Only that. Okay? I want a lot of soy sauce, so I won't taste the wasabi. Here. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Only a little pinch. But not spicy, but there is a pinch. That pinch will go to your nose. And I'll just have my lunch. And after lunch, I have to go to classes. And today, I really don't know what to do. Not much, you know. Maybe. Let's see. I have an idea. Our content today is baking. That's a good idea. And I think my lunch good. I have to go to classes. So see you guys in the kitchen. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's vlog, I will be trying to make banana bread. And I'll show you the ingredients. Of course, banana, the uglier, the blacker, the better. And we got our flour, 3 cups of flour. And we got our large eggs. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. And we got butter. We got white sugar and brown sugar. And we got the baking soda, the vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, the lemon juice, chocolate chips, and our almonds. And let's get started. And first, we are going to smash this dark, ugly banana.
We gotta peel it off. We gotta remove that. That's good. Oh, look at this. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. I'm just kidding. Okay, that's, whoa, look at that. Black. It's black. But it's okay. There, we got the 2 banana breads in. We need this one, the 4th banana. Oh, yeah, we got the 3rd banana and the last banana. We gotta peel this off, baby. We gotta peel, and peel. Now we gotta smash it. It needs to be creamy so it will be yummy. I like it creamy because, I don't know, I like it creamy so it will be easier. And we need a spatula to do this. Yeah, got that. Ugh. And about my arm. It's kinda good now, it's kinda okay. I have been exercising it. Not that painful like before.
Or that I kid like, oh mom, it really hurts. It really hurts. Now we gotta smash that thing in there. We gotta make it creamy. Cream.
Oh,
put the flour. You gotta be careful because I don't want to clean.
Gentle. Oh, it's heavy. There. Wow, it's clean. We gotta put this in there and mix it. Hey, we gotta mix that. I forgot. I don't know. There. There. Okay, we gotta. Okay, we gotta mix it. Gonna. Okay, I think this is good. Actually, then now we're gonna put the 5 large eggs. Look at that, so perfect. I don't want to. We're gonna and clean. Now we gotta mix it like this, like this. Hey, okay, we gotta mix it like look. There we go. I like that, but it's kind of heavy. Cause look. It's heavy because the flour and the banana are in. So we're gonna mix it. Mix it all up, boy. I wanna sing banana bread. Make your banana bread. It's fun to make banana bread with me. Okay, I'll make a song about banana bread. Banana bread. It's fun to make banana bread. It's fun to make a banana bread with me. Look at that. Banana bread. It's fun to make banana bread with me. Okay, since we're done mixing, we are going to put the sugar, the white sugar. I know it's a lot of sugar, but we have to put it in there. And the brown sugar. Too much of sugar, but yeah. It's getting bigger and heavier and harder because it's already a lot of ingredients in. So we gotta put it in there. I wanna sing harder. Banana bread. It's the banana bread. Make a banana bread with me. Okay, we
Gotta do this now. Yeah. We need this, I think. Yeah, we really need it. Look at that. That's flour and bread. No, banana, of course, not bread. Bread. There.
Look at that. I'm removing it because it's hard now. And I really need to mix it properly. And then after this, we're gonna put the butter. I really don't want to clean, but I have to clean. I mean, not a big mess, but maybe a mess. We gotta do this. I think this one. Okay, we're gonna mix it now. There. Look at that, guys. Ooh. Okay, so now the butter. Let's go put. Okay, I think we don't need the spatula. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it fell. Okay, we're gonna put that in there. Gooey. Oh my gosh, again! Okay, we gotta do this real hard now. Gotta punch that butter. Gotta do this, do that, do this, do this, do that, do this, do that, do this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh no, don't. Okay. I'm sorry. I think we gotta replay that one. Look at what I made, girl. Okay. I think it's good. Now, we gotta put our oh! I'm sorry. I thought it's not going to move, but I think that if I use no spatula, it will work. There.
And I forgot. Thank you for 100 subscribers, y'all. Thank you for subscribing. And I think this is the reason why I'm gonna make a banana cake, because we're gonna celebrate 100 subscribers. But I want to say thank you for subscribing me. You know, I'm really happy because I was waiting, please be 100, please. And I prayed to God to be 100, and He did it. Okay, so here, as you can see, look at this. There's still flour and brown sugar in there. Okay, I think this is good.
Now the vanilla extract. We need to scoop this thing. So we are saving, you know. I actually don't want to waste money. This is strong. This is strong. Okay, we got the vanilla extract in here. And I will do this. You know, I'm gonna mix it. Okay, I'm strong. We gotta mix the ooh. Look at this. It's so yummy. By the smell, I can imagine the taste already. And I think since I made it, it would be good. It would be perfect. You know? Gotta do this. My arm. Look at this. Look at my arm. Gotta mix. And we need to put, it's time to put the cinnamon powder to make it delicioso. Delicioso. Cinnamon powder. I thought I was gonna sneeze. Chocolate powder. There. We got the cinnamon in, baby. We got the cinnamon in. Cinnamon powder in. Look at that. Yum. Yum. I think this is the perfect banana bread, my opinion. And it doesn't have to be really creamy, because it's not good, but I like it chunky. It's better, guys. It's better if it's chunky. See? Look at that. It's so perfect. Not that creamy, not that hard, but chunky. You know what I'm saying? And we gotta put lemon juice. Look at this. Lemon juice. Yum. Wait. Okay. Woo, lemon juice. It's so sour. Not sour, but it smells sour. No. Okay, we gotta mix that. Mix that in, baby.
And we are done. No, we are going to put the chocolate chips. Good. It's baking chocolate chips. It's baked. It has to be baked, right? So I'm eating raw. Now, I like chocolate. Not that much. I'm not that chocolate lover. Good. So we are going to transfer it in this bowl. I'm not really sure what does it called. So we are going to put it half only because it will expand when we put it in the oven. Look at that. That's so satisfying. There we go. So that's it. We need to put this almonds. There. We only got to put it half. There. Only half. Okay. Now we're going to put it in the oven. I'm going to put that baby in there. Whoa. So we're gonna turn this on in 90 minutes, and we gotta put this on 160 Celsius. And now we're just gonna wait and let us taste it. So guys, this is it. We're gonna take it out from the oven. That's hot. Oh no, I'm scared. I want to eat it right now. Let's smell it together. I'm shocked. Let's go and taste my recipe. So now we are going to slice it. And look at this fresh, moist banana bread. So now let's taste it. Here we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It tastes so good. In my opinion, this is the best banana bread ever. It's so yummy because I'm the one who made it. So that's it for now, you guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next vlog.